the NSYS employees do when we get a snow day.
Hello.
We use spatulas.
He uses the hand.
Oh my god, I'm shivering so bad my camera's shaking.
Hey Jonathan, you want to borrow my spatula?
There goes poor Rick in the snow. Let me see that spatula. Here, you're on film duty.
Where am I filming? This way?
Yes.
Yeah, y'all clean my cup. There you go.
I'm filming. Because of this right here. Well, I don't have one. He said trace it, it's clean, I promise. Yes.
I don't do that. Y'all doing a good job.
Well, hello. I got an up close shot of him.
Jonathan. And JoJo.
What's up?
You look so happy. Ow! Oh no, it's prison.